Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install RubyMine on your MacBook. RubyMine is a powerful IDE from JetBrains, built specifically for Ruby and Ruby on Rails development. It offers smart code completion, advanced debugging tools, and excellent framework support, making it a great choice for professional Ruby developers. Alright, let's get started. First, open any web browser. I'm using Brave, but Chrome, Safari, or Firefox will work just fine. In the search bar, type Download RubyMine, then press Enter. From the results, click on the official JetBrains website. I've also added the direct download link in the video description. Once you're on the RubyMine download page, choose the correct version for your Mac, Apple Silicon or Intel. If you're not sure which one you have, click the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen and select About this Mac. If you see Apple M1, M2, M3, or M4, you're using an Apple Silicon Mac. If it says Intel, then you're on an Intel-based Mac. After selecting the correct version, click Download. Save the installer to your Downloads folder. The download time may vary depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. A new window will open. Simply drag the RubyMine icon into the Applications folder. This installs RubyMine on your Mac. When it's done, you can close the window and delete the installer file to free up space. Next, open Finder, go to Applications, and launch RubyMine. If macOS shows a security message saying the app was downloaded from the internet, just click Open to continue. When RubyMine launches for the first time, accept the user agreement by clicking Continue. You'll then be asked to activate RubyMine. If you already have a license or subscription, choose activation code and enter your details. Otherwise, select Start Free Trial to begin using RubyMine for free. And that's it. RubyMine is now installed on your Mac, and you're ready to start coding with Ruby and Rails. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.